Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Binance app. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, the Binance app refers to the mobile application provided by Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance is known for a platform that allows users to trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other coins. The Binance app is available for both Android and iOS devices, and it allows referrers to access their Binance accounts, trade cryptocurrencies, check market prices, manage their portfolios, and perform various other functions related to cryptocurrency trading and investment directly from their mobile devices. Please note that the feature and functionality of Binance app may have evolved or changed since my last update in September 2021. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information about the Binance app and its feature, I recommended visiting of the official Binance website or checking the App Store for the latest version and reviews. Additionally, it's crucial to exercise caution and follow security best practice when using cryptocurrency related apps to protect your assets. If you like this video, please follow, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.